two big kids finally got it now. They're not feeling good. So they're chilling on the couches, watching Olympics.
Oh, it's gonna be close. Look at it. Oh. Man, photo finish for the first one. Yeah, this is like,
Careful, Levi. Adri and Toby were sick through the night, so they're having a chill day. Jesse got sick again last night, so he's having a chill day, which means all the kids are gonna have a chill day because that's how it works in a big family. Good thing the Olympics are on right now.
I got to watch Canada beat Germany.
You're saying that while wearing an American flag shirt.
That was incredible.
The tummy bug has claimed Adri, Toby, and Michael now, so they're all sick, which leaves me taking care of everybody. So sickness has taken its toll on our bus. Dishes are piled up. I got the laundry started, but we got a lot of cleanup to do. So since it's all on me, I'm gonna put this little guy for a nap and see if I can get some dishes done.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
What was that, Jesse?
Sounded like a gunshot.
Sounded like a gunshot.
Because some gunshots start like boom, 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 boom.
Bit of paper left under the pool of coffee. Try to remember what I wrote and you just laugh. We better have a talk, think it might last until it's dark. When the candle lights are out, I really think it's goodbye. I didn't love you anyhow. Your room, you lock the door. I'm lying helpless on the floor. It's how we spend our days. It's tragic in so many ways. I stumbled to
All Alright, Adri and Toby are starting to feel a little bit better. Not 100% yet, and Michael's feeling a little bit better. We have to run and drop off all those library movies that we got last week, and then we are going to pick up our Azure food order. So we are going to head out with the little ones, and Adri and Toby are going to stay home with Bethany and Rebecca, who are going to watch a big kid movie that they've been waiting for a long time to watch. It isn't appropriate for the little kids yet, so we're going to take the little kids so they have a chance to watch that.
But that's okay, we're just hanging out. I just want to say, a few people have commented and said that me and Toby look like we're twins, and asked if we're twins.
And the truth
The answer is
we are.
yes. Yes, we are.
Liar.
No, we're not. But me and Toby do act like twins, and we do look like twins sometimes.
And I'm cloning you.
Anyway, I just wanted to share a funny story with y'all that happened last night that proves that me and Toby emotionally, spiritually, we are twins. So, me and Toby were both feeling nasty last night.
Oh my gosh, Adri, seriously.
Neither of us had thrown up yet, but we both felt like it all night long. And then finally, I'm like, you know what, I can't stay up here anymore. Mom was editing a video, I couldn't handle watching the screen move, so I just went to bed. I lie down in bed, I get my blankets all up on me. I think I might have even half fell asleep. Toby's in the front because he can't handle getting up to go to his bed, so he just stayed on the couch up front, half asleep. And then suddenly, I woke up with this sudden weird urge, and I just flipped off the covers, grabbed up my bucket. Mom was getting Toby's bed ready for him to get to bed, and suddenly I start throwing up, and as I'm throwing up, I hear an echo of my throwing up, and I realize that Toby is up front throwing up at the exact same moment as me, and all I see at the corner of my eye is Mom's feet going at the same time. What? And I'm just like, rah, rah, and then Toby's up the front, rah, rah, and we're like, we barfing bonding moment. That's what me and Toby had last night. It was amazing. And we are twins because of it. Like, Toby, we threw up at the same time! Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, this is exciting. You ready?
Listen.
A video game?
We're just in the van waiting for our Azure order. Everybody's watching for the big truck to come. Jesse's somewhere back there. There he is. Should be here
I
soon.
see somewhere back there.
Yeah, we can see him.
Bye.
Bye.
So, we finished Princess Bride. It is now, late. 6:40. And the parents are still gonna be another good hour to 2 hours. So they're gonna pick up some kind of supper for us. They haven't decided what yet. Probably just gonna be pizza or something. So I'm guessing we'll just watch another movie.
Oh, sweet.
Well, what else do you do at nighttime when the parents aren't here?
Yeah,
What else we can do? Clean the bus? It's already pretty clean. What did you guys just ask her?
yeah, you can explain.
We're asking if we can watch The Karate Kid, the original, which Bethany hasn't seen.
I've seen one of them, but I'm not sure which one it was. You watched the newer one, Rebecca.
Oh.
You've never seen the original.
Yeah, the original.
Which one's worse?
It
I've never
depends
seen
on
it.
what you're into.
What am I into?
I got a little
She
scared
said yes.
when I watched.
No, she didn't.
Yeah, she did. The Karate Kid, yes.
The Karate Kid! Yeah! Oh my! This is gonna be great.
Okay.
You okay?
Listen to me while I'll give you a second. Is it scary?
Very.
You wish you
It's very scary, Bethany. You should be terrified.
Isn't our amazing flat screen TV so good? Like 10 inches.
Yes, you would. Toby, put the kettle on.
Wax.
Oh, Toby, you.
Because I'm a nice brother. Ready, Bethany?
It's a really creepy face, Toby.
This is like an old
Is it scary?
Yes, it's very scary. It's like a horror movie.
Oh my god.
being awake all night.
Hold it. Does the guy come and beat the people up like Toby said, or was he just making up crap? Okay, I'm watching the movie. It's important.
Alright, we are at the pizza place because I forgot till right before we left that we had to drop off the library movies, and so they are in the opposite direction from our Adri pickup from where that was, so it got really late really fast. So we decided to get pizza at our favorite pizza place that also has a free video game system, which the kids love, so they don't have to pay for it. So Pac-Man. They get to enjoy that while we wait, and it's a really cool atmosphere here. It's a nice pizza place. So it's our favorite, and they make really good pizza. Thank you guys. Thank you. Pizza.
I got this one.
Get a table with your pizza.
Yeah. Mama?
Yeah.
Levi, did you just steal Jesse's pizza? Or he just gave me like an evil grin.
A train crashed into
Wow.
my room, Dad. I didn't. Even Dad can't.
How's that veggie pizza, Beth? Don't you laugh at me.